Larry Millete will go to trial to face charges he murdered his wife, Maya. Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Marcella Lee. Day after day of testimony that was often emotional and painful in the preliminary hearing led up to the judge's ruling today. CBS 8's Anna Laurel has been following this case for us for 2 weeks now. She joins us live from outside the courthouse. Anna, another emotional day for Maya's family.
It really was, Marcella. Maya Millete, her sister, spoke with us outside the courtroom this afternoon. Think about it this way. Larry, the man accused of killing her sister, has been a part of their family for 20 years. He was with Maya for 20 years. A lot of the information that they heard coming out in court these past 2 weeks was all new to them, and they say extremely difficult to digest.
That my sister had suffered so much. I didn't know that. I wish I could have known. I could probably help her better.
Maya's sister, Mary Chris Rouleau, heartbroken. She says much of the information the prosecution presented in 10 days of testimony she did not know before. She was shocked to learn that Larry paid spellcasters to have Maya get hurt or sick so she couldn't leave him. She says it was hard to see details of Maya's life in text messages and a cell phone video that Maya recorded herself of Larry accusing her of an affair.
I'm glad she did all that, and it looks like she's solved her own mystery, her murder.
The prosecutor says the evidence shows an accused killer's state of mind more uniquely than any case she's seen.
He had taken all steps to humiliate her, ruin her, and shame her, and that had failed. He had no other option, and that afternoon we have messages where he is saying, "I'm about to lose it, I'm shaking inside, ready to snap."
Maya was last seen walking into her house with her children in the evening of January 7th, 2021. The same day she called a divorce attorney. She hasn't been seen since. No body ever found. The defense argued that point before the judge.
That they should be looking for Maya among the living and not among the dead.
The prosecutor pushed back.
May Millete did not just fall off the face of the earth. She lived for and adored her children. She loved her family, her children, her friends, her career, and her life. And she had every intention of living and continuing to live after January 7th, 2021.
The prosecutor said all evidence points to Larry and he should stand trial for Maya's murder. The judge agreed.
There's a marked contrast in the defendant's actions before Ms. Milliete's disappearance and afterward that provides a strong suspicion of his guilt.
Larry will now face a jury, and Maya's family says their 2-year nightmare is far from over.
We just want the truth, and ultimate goal is just to bring Maya home.
Now, Maya's family believes that Larry killed her. Her brother-in-law told us today that they wish that he would confess and that he would tell authorities where her body is buried for the sake of their 3 young children, that they need to know where their mother is and what happened to her. His jury trial is set to start September 14th later this year. Live outside the courthouse for you, I'm Anna Laurel for CBS 8. Marcella?
Anna, just such riveting comments from Maya's sister, heartbreaking that she didn't know a lot of those details. And we understand that the family is now asking the public for help once again. What are they looking for now?
Yeah, they asked that several times, and we said, what exactly do you need from people? They are going to continue to search. She says there's a lot of miles unaccounted for on that Lexus the day after Maya disappeared because Larry took their family car, and they're not exactly sure where he went. And so they have a lot of miles to cover. She said, we've never had professional searchers help us. If anybody has cadaver dogs, anything like that, just even to come out and help them log those miles and search, anything would be helpful to them. They're just trying to find the truth and trying to find answers and trying to find Maya.
Yeah, a wide span. We now know 400 to 600 miles estimated by experts, and that family pleading for help. I'm sure that the good people of San Diego are going to come forward and help them with that. Thanks so much, Anna.